It looks like it's gonna storm. I saw some flashes of lightning. Power just went out to the gas station. The whole thing is just, there's no power. It looks like it's gonna storm. I saw some flashes of lightning. I'm a bit down on how much sleep that I've been getting, and I mean like down kind of like a lot. So that's not great. However, I'm not gonna say no to a little bit of potentially interesting weather. Yeah, I'm just at my chill spot at the truck stop. I'm not too worried. I got like this close to the curb with my wheel. I was like pretty proud of that. I'm like maybe 1 inch off. I like to do stealth camping and street parking. It's pretty low suspicion, honestly, and I get in really late. I sleep for maybe 6 hours at most, and then I leave really early. So maybe I'll take you guys on one sometime, like how I pick a spot. I haven't slept at a Walmart since I got the knock over 2 months ago. Not one time. I haven't gone to any other Walmarts I went to. I haven't even gone to Sam's Club. I just haven't gone. Like, I've been street parking. I've been Cracker Barrel, which I can't do anymore either because that one closed. But I'm kind of dilly-dallying. I'm getting actually really cold in the car because I have the AC on really low. It's just because it's super muggy and I want to be super comfortable tonight. You're not supposed to come down. Don't worry. Hey, stop it. Stop coming down. I just fold the seat covers. I just fold the seat backs down and roll it out. And there's not a lot of room, but there's just enough to slip my legs in there and get a pretty good night's sleep, actually. All right, let's hop in back. Power just went out to the gas station. The whole thing is just, there's no power. I have the ISO all the way up. That is crazy. There is not hardly any visibility. Whoa, there we go. Oh boy, that was wild. I saw this light from the front window cover just go completely dark. It is maybe storming somewhere nearby, so there's a potential some lightning hit something. I didn't hear anything, but I would have not expected an entire gas station and just the whole block to shut off for a few minutes. Thank goodness it wasn't longer, because people do need to get their gas and everyone needs to make their money, obviously, but this is just another part of this lifestyle where I'm off the grid. I have 90% 2 kilowatt hour battery, just chugging along, doing Xbox, not a problem, charging my electronics. So I am grateful for that. I get most of my power from solar. I just let it trickle charge throughout the day. It's actually unplugged now because I'm not gonna leave it plugged in during a storm. I'm going back to Babylon 5. If anything else crazy happens, I will let you guys know, but I am so glad I decided to film something today, because holy crap. Sorry, I'm on my phone, so the audio is gonna be weird, but it's like 1 a.m. I was about to fall asleep, but then it started like lightning and thunder, which is kind of cool. Waking up to this, so fun. Freaking 1:45 in the morning. I've barely slept. Oh my god. Do I have a neighbor? Yep. Oh gosh. Alright, we gotta get up. I got a lot to do. I slept okay though. I send my regard to you, love. The seas that we sailed across were rough. 'Cause those winds and those rains and those holes and those cannons we fought were too much for you in the end. Too much you thought. I'm like a sycamore seed turning as I fall, as I see you walking to me down the hall. And I'll be trying to pretend that I was fine, and every day I hadn't missed you at all. I'm like a sycamore seed turning as I fall, as I see you walking to me down the hall. And I'll be trying to pretend that I was fine, and every day I hadn't missed you at all. Oh, oh. I send my regard to you, love. Those ropes that would pull us apart were tough. Those winds and those rains and those holes and those cannons we fought. Too much for you in the end. Too much you thought. I'm like a sycamore seed turning as I fall, as I see you walking to me down the hall. And I'll be trying to pretend that I was fine, and every day I hadn't missed you at all. I'm like a sycamore seed turning as I fall, as I see you walking to me down the hall. And I'll be trying to pretend that I was fine, and every day I hadn't missed you at all.